Hello, Laddies, Lassoes, and Lassoes, and welcome to neodoesmakeup. You all look dandy fine delicious today, especially you, Mark. You look great. Okay, I can't go anymore. Hi, and welcome to neodoesmakeup. I'm Neo, and today this Animakeup look is inspired by The Click. And also now I realize why my lighting was so bad during this entire video. It's been testing me today. But welcome in. This look is obviously, like I just said, inspired by The Click, which, hi, Clicky Kitty, Mango, Lola almost destroyed Clicky Kitty. I wanted to cry. I didn't. I did. But if you are not familiar with The Click, they are a YouTuber who does the Reddit video as Reddit content, just like OT, except where OT is very much on the light, bright, very family friendly. The Click is not. And honestly, their balance is what I live for. So that's why it's like today, this went very dark and red, because a lot of times, like even their own merchandise, it literally is a VIP ticket to hell. Which, I mean, here we go. We gotta go with it, right? Also, I'm just like tripping because my camera keeps like tracking one of my irises and it's not doing the... Anyway, I need to stop. But yeah, The Click is a creator who makes me laugh so much. I didn't say this in the OT video, and I feel like I need to say it now. Because The Click has his actual name as his username for Instagram, I found out his name is Mark, hence using a mark earlier. But I remember OT has said that his name is James in the past, and there are times where they will say things in their videos, I will literally just yell out their names, like, come on. But The Click is someone who, again, makes me laugh so much, and congratulations on hitting 1 million. That is a huge milestone, and I am so proud. Again, the people that have influenced me for this week are people that I look up to, and Click is definitely one of them. Aside from doing the Reddit content, he does stream, he does do music. If you've heard the "Oh, what is this? I think I found love again," he actually did a cover of the Oh Whoa song, and it's actually really nice and relaxing. His voice is surprisingly really nice and relaxing because the content that he does is very crazy, which I also relate to because I have fun with my voice in my everyday life, so I appreciate seeing someone else just have fun with their voice. And I'm rambling now. I'm going to stop rambling. If you want to see how I created this look, continue watching. Here we are. This is like attempt 35 to film today. I am barely exaggerating. And my primer is being rude. Primed with my NYX, don't know why it's being rude today, primer. We are going to go high into the crease with the L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer Liner. Same liner I used for Charlie. I don't know why this thing keeps washing me out. But we are going to put that high into the crease, and then as I'm going, I'm also going to set with Vinyl. Oh, I just dipped into different color. I'm going to dip into Vinyl from the Blend Bunny Surge palette, because we're going to use the Surge palette, because this is my only hope right now. Okay, now we're going to dip into Grunge, which is the shade right next to it. It's a little deeper brown. Just so you know, I am barely breathing while doing this. I'm going to now dip into Taboo, which is the red right next to it. Okay, I don't know why this thing keeps like dimming for some reason. Now we're going to dip into a combination of Taboo and Juicy, which is this shade here and this shade here, to blend out. Mainly more juice. Actually, I'm just going to take Juicy. I'm going to take just a little bit of Cutout, which is this kind of ivory color, just to soften Juicy. Okay, I feel like that is a little heavy. But we're going to work with it. I'm going to now connect right here using the liner, and we're not going to actually... That's my cue to shut up and just do it. Okay, so now to brighten this back up, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the NYX Ultimate Eye Paint in Coming Out Fierce. And we're going to use that to recut the crease. And then I will be setting it. I don't know what I want to use to set it, because there's not... I don't really want to use a pink. Even though this is pink, it's just that it's complementary. Actually, maybe I'll use a little bit of a pink. I don't know which one I'm going to use though, so we're just going to run with it and cut the crease. Was that when we were on TV?
Uh-huh.
Oh boy. So real quickly, I'm actually going to take some of the vinyl. I'm going to use that to blend back into this. That way it's not too crazy. Shimmer, what am I going to use? Actually, I'm going to take Flash, which is a white gold. Okay, I know this didn't cut off partway through, but wow, that is dramatic. In person, looks like a pink gold flip. I like that. I'm going to... Okay, there we go. Now, any area that I did get some of that color on top, I'm going to just redefine lightly with vinyl. And then I'm going to do this on this eye, and we're going to be right back. Yeah, the blush... Yeah, she's, something. But now we're going to take the same shades and run those under the eye. Okay, that is very that's very dramatic. That makes this blush kind of blend in now. Okay. Whew. I was really concerned about this blush. It's the MAC in Stranger Things. He likes a cold blush, which I mean, it is a nice red. It's just that she went a little patchy, and so I had to add more. So then it was like, but it's okay. It's okay. Making it work. I'm just gonna take care of my inner corner first before I actually do lashes, and I think the same shade I have on the lid, which by the way I did add a little bit of Zip It Up, which is the gold metallic in this palette. See if we take that first one, Flash, just pop that on the inner corner by itself. I want to see. Okay, she's cute, but I want something a little bit more, so I think I'm actually going to take, let me get this one because I know she's a little messy. This is Thundercloud by KVD. We're going to pop that on the inner corner. This is one of their pigment sticks, what they call it, Dazzle Stick Longwear Eyeshadow. Wow, okay, that is very, that pops. Okay. Yeah, hi. So I'm going to come back with lashes. I'm going to run something on my waterline. I don't know. I'm probably just going to run a black in there. And we're going to be taking care of this eye. We're going to be right back. Okay, and now we're moving on to the lips because eyes are done. For lips, we're going to use Scully, and this is Original Recipe by Give. Okay, so I don't know where this cut off, but this blends so well. I'm really liking this. Okay, I'm going to set my face and then we'll come back with the final look. Okay. Oh no, I don't have the thing. Oh. I literally got a tie for this. I don't know where it is. Help. Anyway, here we are with the final look, and honestly, I am looking at this in the mirror and just like, okay. I say that I can't find my mirror. I can't find anything today. I keep looking at this, I'm like, this is basically a drag look. I'm not mad though, because this is so nice. Also, it's really funny because today's the 4th of July. I know I put OT up today, and that was a blue look, and here I am in red, silver. So kind of did them. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is essentially a drag look. Am I complaining though? No, I actually really like this. I will say I wish, so like I'm having an issue where I get one eye at the right height that I want, and then the other eye is just like a little bit lower. I'm also like freaking out because like this thing is like tracking this pupil for some reason, but not this one, so I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, it's just a little backstory. But yeah, I am still loving this though. I feel like I really do like this. It's just, it's giving me hell. Actually, this whole like day is giving me hell for filming, which I mean, kind of ironic since I have a VIP ticket. I don't have it on me, but I have a VIP ticket. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling because I am now just making jokes about the channel without actually like doing things for it. So I need to stop talking. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please subscribe and click that little bell button because every time we post a video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.